How to change browser to Google Chrome on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for Chrome, okay? And that just in case, you need to double check if your Google Chrome is fully updated to the latest version, so you can actually have access to all the new features. Next up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to the general settings. In here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down till you find the Google Chrome. And after you find it, what you're going to do, you're going to just click on it, and from here you're going to see multiple options, and you're going to see default browser app. So I'm going to just click on it, and as you can see, I already set it on Safari. So whenever I click a link from my email, it will direct me to a Safari browser. So if I wanted to change that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click Chrome. As you can see, whenever we open a link or something like that, it will direct us to Google Chrome. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.